Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. I wish upon you peace. My name is Malika and I'm Hijabiheroes and I'm back with another video with Shumaila.
Hi guys.
So today we're going to be recreating Habiba Da Silva's 3 easy chiffon hijab styles video from 2015.
Wow, that's a
She looks so different.
She does, right?
We'll be watching her tutorials and we are going to recreate them live for you guys to see how easy they are to follow.
Yay. Okay.
Also, if my hijab looks weird, I'm literally wearing another hijab underneath so that when I do my tutorial, it's like not showing. You feel me?
Tutorial on how I do 3 of my most worn styles using a chiffon scarf. I've been wearing chiffon quite a lot recently and a lot of you guys have been requesting on Instagram that I do a tutorial because a lot of you seem to find it very hard.
I love her eyebrows.
So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this style, and this style.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one's the flip.
Okay.
Oh my god,
What? What is happening?
Yeah, that's good.
Maybe we should have a mirror because this is
Definitely. I feel like this is not the way I usually. Oh my god, I don't know. What have I done? Wait, that was too quick.
Okay, so you bring it around. Okay, let's fix this block. And once you bring it around,
Did she pin it on the side? Yeah, right?
I think she did.
She should do that.
Or did she pin it underneath?
She pinned it underneath, but then I think she pinned it on the side. Okay.
Okay, and then she did this kind of thing.
So she like flipped it here, right?
Yeah. I can't even tell what I'm doing. Well, I folded mine at the top.
Oh my god.
I actually like this, actually.
Yeah, I do too.
I like this a lot. I folded mine at the top though, because I don't think mine would have stayed. But I think this is like a really elegant look, for sure. And the chiffon drapes really nicely, like right around here. So I like it.
I really like this as well.
Okay,
So
so the
cute,
first
so
one was
easy.
a success. Yeah, this is really easy and really comfortable. And if you pin it here and here, you're good.
Yeah.
Okay, wow. All right, first one was a success. Fold it if she doesn't.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so she's gonna take one side, the other side.
And my chiffon hijabs without folding them at the top.
Yeah, I don't like doing my hijab without folding at the top. It just looks. And then she like also tucked it before.
Oh, she did. You mean she did the fold?
Yeah.
Or like this? Maybe that frames her face better.
Yeah, I don't think it frames.
I was gonna say I don't like it on mine, but we'll keep going.
I guess that's the longer side. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, she just takes it around.
Seriously, that was it. Uh-oh.
That was
I was
easy
like
too.
pretending. I thought it was the other style. I do this regularly, but I don't do this thingy. Now we're not going to do the third style.
It's called the loose.
So do we know how much she kept on both sides?
No, that's what we're just trying to.
Okay, that one's like really short. Not really short, not like short as the first video, but first one, but like quite short.
Okay.
Okay, and she did this thing again. I think that just suits her face.
Yeah. I feel like anything suits her face. Like even turbans and everything. Oh, okay.
Oh, basically she just throws it over.
So it's kind of like the first, well,
Yeah, but it's super loose. And then she pins it at the top. How do you do this?
So this is not my
How do you do this? I'm not even looking at the camera anymore. I'm looking at the mirror because I don't understand how to do this.
Is that good enough? I mean, oh my god. That looks so weird.
Let's see.
It's so weird doing this without a mirror. Like I wasn't looking at my mirror.
How do you pin this?
Okay, I don't know how I feel about this really, but.
Let's see. Haven't you done like a similar style?
Yeah, but I don't do it like, I don't pin it then where she does.
Mm-hmm.
Because then it creates this weird looking stuff here.
Yeah, no, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of this style.
Yeah,
I think the first one was the nicest.
Yeah, I like the first one.
We hope you enjoyed us recreating those hijab looks.
Let us know which one you like the best.
And this kind of goes to show that even like bloggers, even though we film hijab tutorials, it's kind of hard to follow someone's.
Yeah, someone else's tutorial.
And it's especially because like everyone has a different face shape. Even though I think chiffon hijabs look good on everyone, I think sometimes the way she was framing the face like wouldn't look good on me or like on
yeah,
us.
it didn't look good on me either.
So yeah, well, let us know what you think in the comments below. Check out Shumaila's channel. She's also doing a similar video on there. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Wait. Bye.